Guys, so guys, we're gonna play Smarties Cooking. I did 2 favorites. And it was created by Mr. Smarty Pants. What's this stupid? Guys, don't ask me what I'm thinking. I am. Hello, I'm Butter. And it's amazing, but I'm gonna add flour. Woohoo! Now we should pour in some milk. Hello, I'm milk. I was thinking if I feel like water, let's get a whisk. Now, I'm going to go add some vanilla.
Hi, I'm Vanilla Extract.
Hello, I'm Vanilla. Ew, it's seasoning. Okay, let's go. Hello. Okay, I forgot who I am, but you can let me know. I want to be sliced, but I'm gonna be a spaghetti. Hello, I am oil. Then I want to be. Hello, I'm garlic. And let's go. Hello, I'm raw beef. I'm just beef. Oh no, I'm turning brown. So since I'm brown already, let's get some chopped tomatoes. Hello, I'm Tomato. Then let's go get some spaghetti pasta. It's swimming. I love boiling. Spaghetti. Oh, that's a lot of them. That's so good. Let's just get some tomato sauce. Oh, nice. Hello? I don't know why. I'm super spicy. I'm super spicy. Why am I from tacos? put McDonald's on the tray. Of course, I like fries. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I am fries, but I can't bend like the McDonald's logo. The McDonald's logo like fries. And I'm gonna be I am cheese. And you made it, and I'm gonna be eating. Cheese. Stupid. I'm not gonna ask. No. I think he's gonna get throw up. Made it, and I'm a banana. I'm a banana, banani, no beanie, banani. I love swimming in this. I'm such a big one. I'm very naked. I'm so naked. I want to be dead. I'm dead already. I'm dead. Woohoo! It's gonna be in the blender forever. Since Nikocado Avocado was crying. Okay, he's back again. Okay, wait. I need help. I need help getting out. I need help. Help me. Help me. This. Oh my god. Hello, I'm new. But I don't know how to get out. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help. Oh, nice. That's some yogurt. Since I'm yellow, I'm yogurt. But I don't know why. Nikocado. Oh. I'm super sour. I am lemon. I am swimming. Whoa, I can swim. This is always annoying me. Oh, also, I can swim. Yes. Drink me. Since Nikocado's McBain. Oh, nice. I guess you like it. This is a banana! What? I might do that again. Ready to Nikocado McBain.
Hello, we're back home. Hello.
Oh, I've been married a long time ago. I've been married a long time ago. Oh. Same time. Oh, I've been married a long time ago. Oh, yes. Sissy likes Keith. Good job. See, oh, nice. He loves Keith, and why is he crying? Why is Nick crying? He likes that thing. No. I'm gonna be very dumb because I'm a dummy. You don't mind? And then let's try it one more time. I'm gonna on your face. Say that again. Let's go with ice cream. Oh, pizza. And why does the pizza look like that? I'm a pizza dough. Yes, I'm a tomato. Oh, I'm getting rolled. I'm a piece of paper. If you don't mind. Nice. Do it to me. Pepperoni. Hey! Cheesy! What are you on? I am oil. I'm a pizza. Hope he will like it. And why is he getting fed like this?
Pizza!
Yum! Yum!
You're both gonna die. Yep, this is the last one. Cream, 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 cream. I'm not in there! So stupid! I keep getting... Oh my gosh! It's gonna take long. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's just... What else I say? Chocolate ice cream. Help. Oh boy, I got all this. Not on it. Not thinking. It's lost. It's just like a warm bath. Speaker. I am Speaker.
Yum, yum. Yum.
End the video, guys. Bye.